CM Yogi takes a dig at Achilles. Shivpal accuses them of extorting money. Adityanath accuses Akhilesh and Shivpal Yadav of doing wasuli during their government. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Wednesday distributed appointment letters to 1,334 junior engineers, computer technicians, and foremen selected by the Uttar Pradesh Subordinate Services Selection Commission. Speaking at the event in Lucknow, CM Yogi took a dig at Akhilesh Yadav and Shivpal Singh Yadav, accusing them of doing wasuli during their government. Why didn't people earlier get appointment letters? The reason was that their intention was not clear. Chacha Bhatija was in a race of doing wasuli, CM Yogi said. CM Yogi further compared the terror of Akhilesh Yadav led government from 2012 to 2017 in UP to the recent terror of wolves who have taken wolf 10 lives in Baharich district. The regions were divided like the man eating wolves. Have spread terror in some districts of the state. The situation was the same before 2017. These people also used to create havoc by extorting money. In the same way, they had all the characters of Mahabharata, uncle and nephew, all used to go out for extortion. CM Yogi said. When they were given the opportunity, they extorted money. Now, whatever they speak, people should not trust when they will speak because they have nothing else to do. People have seen them, seen their hooliganism. CM Yogi further added. CM further claimed that the opposition during their government has instigated riots Uttar Pradesh. The instigated riots in Uttar Pradesh made people fight each other for years. Uttar Pradesh was burning with riots. CM Yogi said earlier. Yogi Adityanath announced a plan to build 18 football stadiums across the 18 commissariats in the state to give the beautiful game a further boost. The chief minister said that 827 football grounds will be prepared in every blocks across the state to ensure adequate football facilities in the state, which will encourage hosting of more tournaments. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav hit back at Yogi Adityanath on Wednesday and said that the CM should have known the full form of the abbreviation DNA before making any acquisition. Following Adityanath's statement alleging that lawlessness was in the DNA of the Samajwadi Party in a post on social media. Platform X, Yadav said you should have known the full form before making the acquisition. DNA deoxychloric acid, deoxyribochloric nucleic acid. Even if I knew, I would not have been able to say it. He further took a jib at the Bharatiya Janata Party, stating that people who spent billions to recruit MPs and MLA should speak less. Akhilesh Yadav took a dig at the Uttar Pradesh government, asking if they would apologize apologize for the bulldozer operations that were going on till now following the Supreme Court's order to lay guidelines on recent bulldozer practices. Opted by governments on immovable properties. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday, Yadav said the UP government deliberately ran bulldozers on those whom they wanted to take revenge from or humiliate them. The people who used to scare others with the bulldozers used to demolish people's houses in various places is the map of the chief minister's residence approved. Tell us when it was passed and so the papers. You deliberately ran the bulldozer on those from whom you wanted to take revenge to humiliate them. Yesterday, the Supreme Court said that a bulldozer cannot be used. So, will the government apologize for the bulldozer operations that has been going on till now or not? As far as heart and mind are concerned, I just want to say that there is no brain in a bulldozer. It runs by the steering. The people of Uttar Pradesh can change the steering of someone's bulldozer, he said. Thank you guys for watching this. You should also try to make